Welcome back to Roam Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. This video reflects my personal experience using the Vodafone UK website. Today, we're diving into Vodafone UK's mobile offerings, found at vodafone.co.uk/mobile. Navigating the site, you'll discover a plethora of options for mobile plans, ranging from SIM-only deals to pay-monthly contracts with the latest smartphones. Vodafone UK caters to a variety of needs, whether you're a light data user, a heavy streamer, or somewhere in between. The website highlights their network coverage, promising extensive reach across the United Kingdom, and often emphasizes 5G availability. They also showcase a range of deals and promotions, which can change frequently, so it's worth checking back often for the latest offers. For existing customers, the site provides access to account management tools, allowing you to monitor your usage, pay bills, and upgrade your plan. Vodafone UK also promotes its range of additional services, such as international roaming packages, entertainment bundles, and device insurance. The website aims for a user-friendly experience, with clear navigation and detailed information on each plan. However, the sheer volume of choices can sometimes feel overwhelming. It's advisable to utilize the comparison tools provided to weigh the different plans against your individual requirements. Before committing to a contract, carefully review the terms and conditions to ensure you fully understand the specifics of the agreement. Vodafone UK also provides customer support channels, including online chat, phone support, and a comprehensive FAQ section to address any queries. So, if you're considering switching providers or upgrading your current mobile plan, exploring vodafone.co.uk/mobile is a good starting point. Remember to utilize their available resources and compare the various options before making a decision.